Now in example 8, if fx is a non-zero polynomial of degree 4 having local extreme points at x equal to -1, 0 and 1, then the set S having x belongs to R such that f of x equal to f of 0 contains exactly, now 4 options. Number A, 4 rational number. Number B, 2 irrational and 2 rational number. Number C, 2 irrational and 1 rational. Or number D, 4 irrational number. The question is what? You have given fx function as a polynomial of 4 degree. You know general equation or general polynomial of 4 degree. ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This way we assume. And because you are given local extreme points of function is x equal to -1, 0, 1. In the sense, the derivative of function at -1, 0 and 1, 0. You know, whenever you find local minimum, local maximum value, how you proceed? You write fx first, then you get derivative of fx, and then you taking f dash x 0 means at which x we find f dash x 0 means x we find out. Here x given, local or local maximum or minimum, they are extreme points, are given at -1, 0, 1. In fact, f dash of -1, 0, f dash of 0 is 0 and f dash of 1 also 0. So let's proceed. And yes, you have to find what? Your set as such that x belongs to R where fx is f0, means fx and f0 value equal, this type of x we want. So we proceed by assuming our function fx is of 4th degree. See, ax raised to 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a not 0. Because if a 0, then no question of 4th degree, then it becomes of 3 degree. Our question is of 4th degree, the coefficient of x4 should not be 0. Anyway, now f dash x proceed. What is function's derivative? ax4 derivative 4ax cube plus 3bx square, derivative of bx cube, derivative of cx square 2cx, derivative of dx d, and of e 0 you know. Now we argue what given in data as -1, 0, 1 are extreme values of fx. The value of derivative f dash at -1, that is f dash -1 must be 0. Similarly, f dash 0 must be 0 and f dash 1 must be 0. So let's f dash 1 we first find, -1. So f dash -1 from f dash x, putting x -1, we get -4a plus 3b and -2c plus d, but it is 0 as per your given my f dash -1, 0. Similarly, f dash 0 is 0. Now if you put x 0, all first three terms 0, so only d remain, but other side 0, so d value therefore 0. Now f dash 1, 0 means what? Put again x1, so 4a plus 3b plus 2c plus d equal to 0. So you have one value known, d0. Now let this two value in which you put d0, so we get -4a plus 3b minus 2c 0 from first equation. And from second equation 4a plus 3b plus 2c 0. Let them add. By adding them, automatically your 4a and 2c because of opposite cancel. 3b, 6b is 0, therefore b 0. Once you know b 0, let's put b 0 in third and fourth. So b 0 then -4a minus 2c 0, or you can say 4a plus 2c 0, one and the same. It means c value, suppose we write, so it is -2a because -4a by 2 -2a. Thus, your function will be what? A value is what? A. That we don't disturb because A do not know here. ax4 we write. Plus B. bx cube. What is B value we get? B value we have 0. Then D value also we get 0. And C value -2a. So putting this value in your original function, let's see what fx. So fx become ax4, then b0, so bx cube 0, cx square, but c we take -2a, so -2x square, d0, therefore this not present. Now E plus E. So where A not 0, keep in mind. So your final structure of fx is this one. And now your interest to find set all of x such that fx and f0 same. So what happen when fx and f0 same? Let's find out. So fx equal to f0, fx mean this much value, and f0 if you write from this, then only e. So e we write, but e cancel both side because same term, and therefore ax4 minus 2ax square 0, in which you can take ax square common. If you take ax common, inside is x square minus 2 equal to 0. That means x0. Ax square 0 means x0 because a not 0. And x square minus 2 0 means x plus or minus root 2. So S consisting 3 member. One is 0 and other is plus or minus root 2. In which 0 is rational number and plus or minus root 2 irrational number. So how many members in S? 1 rational and 2 irrational. So your correct option what given in question is C. 2 irrational and 1 rational. Now sum number 9. Sum number 9 easy for you. See, you have to make committee of 11 members from 8 males and 5 females. If M is the number of ways the committees is formed with at least 6 males and N is the number of ways the committee is formed with at least 3 females, then what is relation? Out of 4 option, which one correct? So very easy to say. The first one we find M. M is nothing but total number of committees in which at least 6 males includes. Now we have to make committee of 11 member and at least 6 males we have to arrange. So obviously there are 8 males. Out of 8 we can choose 6 male in 8C6 ways. When I make 8C6 ways we choose our 6 males, then 5 female we have to select from given 5 females in 5C5 ways. So 8C6 into 5C5 is the first possibility. May possible because at least 6 males we have to consider. It means now we can take 7 males and 4 females. So now 8C7 into 5C4. Then all 8 males we select. Then definitely 3 female we select. So 8C8 that is selection of males and 5C3 that is selection of 3 female. And that total sum you get 78. Similarly, our aim is to find N. N is what? Okay, N is the number of selection of committee in which at least 3 females include. It means from 5 females choose 3 female in 5C3 ways and remaining 8 male we select from 8 in 8C8 ways. So this is first choice. Then afterward we take 4 female from 5 females. So 5C4 ways and then 7 males we select from 8 in 8C7. Then third possibility, all 5 female we select and 6 male we select from 8. So therefore that is choice of number N. And that total number you get 78. If you compare M and N, both are equals to 78. And therefore correct option B. And now we have last example number 10. See, integration sec raised to 2 by 3x cos x raised to 4 by 3x dx is what? There are 4 options given. Let's see solution. Now this sec raised to 2 by 3 and cos x raised to 4 by 3 can be written as 1 upon cos raised to 2 by 3x and sin raised to 4 by 3x. Very simple one. Sec convert in cos, cosec convert in sin. Now upper and lower divide by cos square x. So upper become 1 by cos square x or you can say sec square x. And when you divide denominator by cos square x, in denominator what situation? Sin 4 by 3x and this cos 2 by 3x cut from 2, that is 2 minus 2 by 3x. In fact it is also cos raised to 4 by 3x. Sin by cos power same, therefore 10 raised to 4 by 3x. and you know 10x derivative x square. So this we can rewrite as what? 10 raised to power minus 4 by 3x. And side term is derivative of 10x, that is x square x. So when your function power n, side function is derivative of fx, then what happen? Power 1 increase, and we write solution fx raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. To use that rule, here 10 raised to minus 4 by 3x and side term is derivative of 10x. The one power add in numerator, upper one, that is 10 raised to minus 4 by 3 plus 1x, and denominator also minus 4 by 3 plus 1. So indirectly it is minus 3 10 raised to minus 1/3 x plus c. It means your correct option A. Here we stop. Next time we continue some more examples of this exam, and now I send you some more examples for practice on your WhatsApp so that you check yourself.